Replacing the pin and spring in an SR torque wrench with our legacy dovetail system isn't required very often, but when it is, replacing the pin and spring is fast and easy. We're going to drill a hole in the head of the pin. We're going to put a tap in there, create some threads, insert a screw, tighten it, and then use that screw as the mechanism to pull and remove the pin and the spring from the head. Here's what you need for the process. You need the spring and pin assembly. We sell them as a kit. Spring part 812360, pin part number 812202. Need a drill, some safety glasses. The drill bit should be no bigger than 5/32 in English and 4 millimeters in metric. Your drill bit can be a little bit smaller. Larger is not the way to go. You need a hammer, a punch, pliers or vice grips. You need a tap that's going to match up with the drill bit size you've selected. You need a screw to insert in the threads that you've created with that tap. Small flathead screwdriver, vise, and a magnifier. Now, if that seems like a long list, our customers tell us that it takes longer to pull the materials together than to complete the process. Here is the process. Once you have secured the wrench in the vise with the head up, make sure that the head is level and plumb. While we designed our wrenches with a flattened case because it supports the spring and cam mechanism inside the wrench, it's also easier to place our wrenches in the vise for this repair. As always, be sure to follow all the common sense safety procedures. Number 1, use the punch to create a set hole for the drill. Number 2, using the drill bit, English or metric, drill through the pin. Number 3, using a tap, create a threaded surface so your screw can grip for the removal of the pin. Number 4, insert the screw and turn it until it has sufficient ability to withstand the force required to remove the pin and spring. 5, using a set of pliers or vice grips and remove the assembly. Don't think about becoming a dentist at this point in your career. Number 6, move any debris in the slot where the pin and spring will be inserted. Take a look at the pin and spring here for a second. The spring we use is slightly pyramid shaped, larger at the bottom, smaller at the top, to help keep the pin in place. Number 7, insert the assembled pin and spring in the slot. This is where that flathead screwdriver really comes in handy. Once all the coils of the spring are in the hole, use your thumbs to push it down, make sure that it's seated, and then use the screwdriver to take the top of the pin below the surface of the dovetail. Make sure that it pops up properly, and you're good to go. For more information, see our website, or you can find us on YouTube at the Newton Meter channel.